Well, here's the secret. Instead of spending months or even years trying to figure out affiliate marketing from scratch, the ClickBank Super Funnel gives you a complete, ready-to-go system that's already been proven to convert. Here's how it works. You simply plug into the funnel, send traffic to it, and let the system do the rest. The funnel handles everything most beginners struggle with, like capturing leads, building your email list, sending automated follow-up messages, and even presenting high-ticket offers through webinars. That means while you're sleeping, at work, or spending time with your family, the ClickBank Super Funnel is still running in the background, following up with prospects, building trust, and closing sales. It's like having a virtual sales team working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The best part, you don't need to create products, deal with customer service, or handle refunds. The funnel is fully done for you, and you get to focus on the one thing that actually grows your business, driving traffic and collecting commissions. So if you've been looking for a way to build a business that works even when you're not, the ClickBank Super Funnel is the shortcut you've been waiting for. Click the link below right now to see exactly how the ClickBank Super Funnel works and discover how you can start leveraging it today to build your own 24/7 online business.